It is Thursday, October 31st, 2019. It's like 11:25 p.m. and I am going to do a startup of the furnace for the heating season. I think we turned it on like once or twice this season, but it only ran for like 5-10 minutes at a time. So this is going to be the first official startup of the gas furnace. So let's fire it up. There it goes. And there goes the burner. Can kind of see it in there. And here's the air handler for the outdoor heat pump condenser. And I think there's ice developing on the coil, so I'm hoping to get a steam show later tonight. There's the Goodman logo. There's the flue pipe. .95 AFUE. Annual fuel voltization efficiency. I think that's how you pronounce it. Saw the duct. For YouTube's sake, here are the Halloween decorations and lights all lit up. And of course, there's no more trick-or-treaters. I don't think anyone will be trick-or-treating this late at night, but just thought I'd show this. It's getting cold out. Out.